Hi, I'm Patrick Barone of the Barone Defense Firm, and I want to talk to you about sentencing in a drunk driving case. The number one question clients have when they come to see us is, am I going to jail? And here's the rundown, all right? There's all different types of drunk driving in Michigan, and it depends on what you're charged with, and it depends on your prior record. So here's how it looks. First of all, if it's a first offense drunk driving, no prior offense whatsoever, and you have a breath or blood test result below 0.17, chances are you're not going to jail. But it depends. Some judges in Michigan are known for putting first offenders in jail. So you're going to have to talk to your lawyer about it and find out if you're in front of one of those judges. If you're not in front of one of those judges, it's a first offense and you're below a 0.17, probably no jail. Now, if it's a super drunk, if you're 0.17 or above, there's a chance you are going to go to jail. In that instance, the punishment's up to 180 days in jail. Up to 180 days for a first offense super drunk. All right? A super drunk is 0.17 or above with no prior criminal history. If you're looking at a repeat offender, if you're a second offense drunk driver, or if you're a felony drunk driver, then you're looking at a surety, almost a surety of jail time. With a second offense drunk driving, there's a minimum mandatory 5 days in jail. Now, sometimes we can keep that from happening. There's things that we can do to keep you from going to jail, even on a second offense. But in most instances, if it's a second offense, you're looking at jail time. 5 days is the minimum period. For a felony drunk driving, there's almost no way you can avoid the 30-day minimum mandatory sentence. For felony drunk driving, and that means 3 in your lifetime. In Michigan now it's lifetime look back. If you have 3 drunk driving offenses in your lifetime, that's a felony, and you're looking at a minimum of 30 days in jail. That's 30 days, nothing that can be done about it other than avoiding the conviction or having it reduced to a misdemeanor. That's going to be our job if you retain us, is to get it reduced to a misdemeanor or to avoid the conviction if it's a felony drunk driving. If you're looking at a felony drunk driving with an injury or a death, then you're looking at a period of years in jail. Okay? Prior offenses have an impact on that too, but the statute and the sentencing guidelines are going to make it so that you're pretty much guaranteed of spending years in prison if you've killed somebody or if there's a serious injury. Okay? So let's go through it again. We're going to summarize. First offense drunk driving, most of the time no jail time. Second offense drunk driving, most of the time minimum mandatory 5 days. Third offense felony drunk driving, minimum 30 days in jail. If you want to know more about it, go to my website, drunkdrivinginmichigan.com.